So we're running this 8870, pulling the soil finisher, getting ready to plant corn here, and it blew the hydraulic filter right out of the housing, broke the housing off. You can see here, I don't know why it's not focusing, but that's part of the housing in the middle there. So we gotta replace the hydraulic filter housing, which is up under here. Take the battery cover off. We bought a new one for 230 bucks or something from New Holland. So of course it was the inside one that blew out. So it's the hardest one to get to, but we're taking the main pipes off of this one in the front to get to the one in the back. So most of the pipes are 1.5/8", but this one back here is smaller. I don't know exactly what size that one is. We'll get that figured out here in a little bit. But anyway, we got the sensor unhooked and we unhooked these pipes to get out of the way and took the battery cover off. That's kind of where we're at so far. All right, we got it out. You can see the broken off piece there. Filter housing. That's what it looks like. We're gonna have to take these fittings off, but we got her out. All right, here's the part number. 865070029. This is what it comes with. It comes with a filter and the housing. All right, we got it put back together with the new, or with the using the old connections. I just put one on at a time so I didn't mix up which way it went. Okay, you can see we got the new one mostly in there. We got one more pipe to hook up to the outside filter here. I just want to show you. I wish I would have done it, but there's little O-rings, gaskets in each one of these connections. And if you're doing this project, I would just get new ones. I'm reusing the old ones, so hopefully they don't leak. But if you happen to drop one, which I did, but I found it luckily, you'll be a little bit better off. So they just go in the connections here. If you replace it, go ahead and get those first. So I'm gonna put one more pipe on, replace all the hydraulic oil,